వెల్కమ్ టు మైత్రి న్యూస్ ప్రతిక్షణం ప్రజల కోసం. విశాఖ జిల్లా పెందుర్తిలో రవీంద్ర భారతిలో ఘనంగా సైన్స్ ఎక్స్పో. పెందుర్తి స్థానిక సుజాతనగర్ రవీంద్ర భారతి పాఠశాలలో సైన్స్ ఎక్స్పో సంబరాలు అంబరాన్ని తాకిన రీతిలో యాజమాన్యం నిర్వహించింది. విజ్ఞాన శాస్త్రంలోని వివిధ అంశాలను నమూనాల నివేదికల రూపంలో ప్రదర్శించడానికి ఒక వేదికను రవీంద్ర భారతి విద్యాసంస్థలు ఏర్పాటు చేయడం ద్వారా విద్యార్థులలోని సృజనాత్మక శక్తిని, వాక్పటమను, పరిశోధనలోని పదార్థాలు, సాధనాలు, నమూనాల నేపథ్యం ద్వారా విజ్ఞాన శాస్త్ర పరిధిని అధ్యయనం చేయడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుందని ముఖ్య అతిథిగా విచ్చేసిన జీవీఎంసీ అడిషనల్ కమిషనర్ కె విశ్వనాథన్ ఐఏఎస్ అన్నారు. ప్రాజెక్టుల పనిని ఇతరులతో పంచుకోవడం వల్ల ఆ భావనలపై అవగాహన పెరిగి తద్వారా మిగిలిన విద్యార్థులకు కూడా భాగస్వాములు కావాలన్న భావన కలుగుతుందని గౌరవ అతిథిగా విచ్చేసిన ఎన్ఎస్టీఎల్ సైంటిస్ట్ త్రిమూర్తులు మరియు యూనివర్సిటీ జువాలజీ ప్రొఫెసర్ సి మంజులత అన్నారు. శోధన, ప్రయోగాలు, ప్రతి ఆకృతీకరణ విశ్లేషణ ద్వారా మరింతగా విజ్ఞాన శాస్త్రములోని మెళకువలను తెలుసుకోవడం ద్వారా విద్యార్థుల అభివృద్ధి జరుగుతుందని పాఠశాల ప్రిన్సిపాల్ స్వరూప చంద్రకళ అన్నారు. కార్యక్రమంలో నార్తాంధ్ర జోనల్ ఇన్ఛార్జ్ ఎన్ వెంకటేష్, సిజిఎంజీ ఆర్ వసంత, జీఎంకే రమ్య, డివిజనల్ ఇన్ఛార్జ్ బంగారు బాబు, ఉపాధ్యాయులు, విద్యార్థుల తల్లిదండ్రులు పాల్గొన్నారు. విద్యార్థులు ప్రదర్శించిన ప్రాజెక్టులు, నమూనాలు ఆహుతులను ఎంతగానో అలరించాయి.
Our children will have the aim and objective to become an IAS actually.
Here, parents, teachers, it's actually a great privilege for me to be here. It's been a long time since I remember participating in similar science expos when I was a student. I also studied in a CBSE school. And we had a lot of such things, but maybe I was not as innovative enough like what I see you people here. So something that we should all remember is India is at a crossroads. The world is changing very fast in multiple different ways. One thing is, while the West, which generally we find as a developed, as something that we will look up to, is going into a kind of a slump. You can see news of recession. What is recession? The growth is coming down. They are having negative growth. Japan is going into negative, Germany is going into negative, UK is going into negative, United States is not growing, China has slowed down, and the only country that is a beacon of hope for this world is India. The only big country which has moved from 10th spot to 5th spot and 5th to 3rd in the coming few years. We are consistently growing at around 6 to 7%, one of the only major economies to do so. Now we have a problem at hand. We have a huge human development potential. All of you are there. All of you. Earlier what used to happen is we used to have a lot of people, but they were not educated. So they could find jobs in, say, agriculture as farm laborers. They could get a job in other labor jobs and all. we could manage. But today, all of you with your education, your aspirations, we cannot allow anyone to do such labor jobs, such small jobs. For that, it is our responsibility, it is your responsibility for us to create quality jobs, for us to become a leader of the world. For that, such science expos are very important. There was one important that I like to bring to your notice today. The greatest discoveries often lie not in finding new things, but in seeing familiar things in a new way. This was said by Alexander Fleming. So, we have a lot of already existed industries and a very good education potential also. But we've already seen a hudhud. We have a big coastline. We keep getting cyclones, and when this global warming happens, the sea level is going to rise, and one of the cities which is going to be hit is Vizag. And all of you can see, even now, climate change is very visible. I am from Chennai. I remember when I was a young student, we would not get such erratic rainfall that we keep hearing every year. The city gets flooded every 2 years for the past 5-6 years. Huge rainfall, and when it was supposed to rain, it is not raining. You can visibly see climate change. Now, you are all here. You are here to create something new, innovate, keeping both the necessity for us to create quality jobs, quality some discoveries, keeping in mind the importance of conserving the environment. So it is very important for us to move on that path, to think that way. Today, all of you, there is no end to our imagination. Whatever you do today, it is not going to be like mine is a very simple project. You never know what will be. There was one, we have this, our Indian legend, our Srinivasa Ramanujan. Everyone has heard of him. When he went to school, the kind of mathematical concepts he used to use in his class, the teacher did not understand and they failed him. Not educated in a very well thought of institution like this, in a small government institution, and he had caliber which is even now the people are not able to understand.
Yes, good morning everyone. So the Science Expo, on occasion of Science Day, we have arranged this Science Expo as on 24th February is the Science Day. So we have arranged this Science Expo, and nearly 350 projects were done by our students, and nearly 600 plus students participated in the Science Expo. And the main motto of conducting this Science Expo is to bring out the hidden talents in the students. So we want, from our students, we want the further scientists. Each and every student has some inner knowledge in them. They want to be, investigate or discover new things. So this is the platform where the child can come out with different ideas and innovative ideas to prepare different projects. So there is a reason this occasion makes the child to bring out his hidden talent and come up with the innovative projects. Thank you so much.
Yeah.